Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a steak test. I've got 3 boneless ribeye, prime ribeyes, all the same. We're going to salt them, put them in the fridge overnight. Then we're going to cook them 3 different ways. Sous vide, reverse sear, and out on the grill the old-fashioned way. And we're going to test to see which one wins for tenderness and flavor. We're doing it next, so stick around. All right, thanks for joining the channel. This should be fun today, the steak challenge. First one is sous vide. So we're going to take our steak, one of them, put them into a food saver bag, and we're going to suck all the air out of it, seal it up, and we're going to put it into the water at a temperature of 130 degrees. We're going to let this cook for about 2 hours. Now, after 2 hours, we'll take it out. It doesn't look very appealing, cooking in the water bath. So we're going to put it into a nice steaming hot pan and caramelize it up a little bit. And then we'll give it a taste and we'll judge it. You see there, it kind of looks nasty. But in a few seconds, with this hot pan, it will look very appealing, trust me. While that's caramelizing up, please like, share, subscribe. Tell your friends and family about us. Really appreciate it. Take it out. Let it rest 5 minutes. And let's cut into this baby. Oh, doesn't that look good? Smells delicious. Okay. Steak number 1 is done. Moving on to the old-fashioned barbecue grill. Nice and hot. Straight onto those grates. We're going to do 8 minutes on each side. And again, once it's over, we'll let it rest 5 minutes. And then we'll cut into this and take notes and move on to our third and final ribeye. And that is going to be the reverse sear. So with this one, we're going to go straight into the pan, screaming hot. A couple minutes on each side, get it nice and caramelized. Then we're going to put our thermometer into it and pop it into the oven at 375 until we reach a temperature of 130. Then we'll let that rest for 5 minutes and we'll cut into that and we'll see what the results are of our test. I can tell you this, all 3 ribeyes were extremely tender and delicious. It was very hard to judge, but this is what I came up with. So hope you enjoy this video, and here are your results. And hey, thanks again for watching, and remember to hit that bell, that like button and bell to stay up to date on new recipes. Here's the results.